In 2020, work began on the major rebuild of Romford Station as part of Europe's biggest infrastructure project, Crossrail. Building site security must not only protect the contractors, but ensure the public cannot access dangerous areas. Index and Almas Industries provide to site contactless access control integrated with a digital suite of workforce management solutions. This solution provides total live remote visibility as to who is on site, when they arrive and when they leave, via a completely contactless system, which is invaluable from a COVID perspective. The system provides assurance of compliance with all health and safety procedures and policies. The fatigue management feature prevents workers from exceeding their core hours.